This is a do-it-yourself repair for the AC controls for a Corvette. Normally seen as either intermittent display, tapping on the face can make it come in, or no display at all. Other than that, all the functions seem to work. This repair has been on the website. Do-it-yourself repair has been on the website for some time. We have other do-it-yourself repairs there as well, not in video format until today. What you'll need is a 3/16 nut driver. There are 4 screws along the back of this AC control. We need to remove these 4 screws. This will allow you to separate the unit, taking the back off. There will be 2 circuit boards here, one that controls the front face with all the push buttons and the back circuit board in the cover here. We're going to remove the screws securing the circuit board on the back cover here. Once these screws are secured, you'll be able to pull this circuit board up out of the cover. Then you can turn it over and access the connector. This connector is keyed, so it only fits one way. It pulls straight out of the connector and pushes back in to put it back in place. Now that we've got this connector released, we're going to take a close look at the circuit board here. What we're looking at is specifically the surface mount resistors. The first one here in line, we've taken the pick tool to and applied a little pressure to it. This one lifted right up off the board. This is obviously, in this case, was an easy problem to see on this circuit board because it just took a little pressure to lift the component off the circuit board. What we did at this point was remove the component totally, clean up the solder pads on the ends of the resistor along with on the circuit board, and soldered the component down. We then moved across the circuit board, repairing all the surface mount resistors here and checking them as we go. The third one also, once touching it, came right off the circuit board as well. And we're going to repeat the process of cleaning the pads and the ends of the component and putting them back on the circuit board, and completing this for the set of 5 at the top. Looking closer at the rest of the circuit board, there are several other larger surface mount components that need to also be looked at very closely as well, and make sure that they get resoldered onto the circuit board. Now that you've taken care of all the surface mount resistors on this back panel, take a look at the front panel as well. There are several surface mount resistors here that need to be resoldered. This will straighten out most of the display problems. We're going to put this back together and see how it works in the car. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see our website for other do-it-yourself repairs.